Hey guys, welcome back. Just like deja vu, but on the other side. Paint job turned out all right on that one. I actually did do the front. I couldn't leave it. I buzzed it down, cleaned it. Wasn't that much tar on it. Undercoating. Did that. And I got a bit of the top, but where it hits the body, comes close up tight to the floor. I couldn't get up there. But I got the sides, both sides, the back edge here, a bit of the front there. So when you look at it from behind now, it looks like a brand new muffler. You guys might have seen it on the post anyway, but let's just try this here. Clean up some of this. A lot more on this. Yeah, there's a lot more on this muffler. That's for sure. Well, we'll get it. We'll get it. It's a matter of time. Smoothing out already. Smoothing out nicely. I'll just do the main areas and then I'll go over it again. Yep, taking all that old tar off. Excellent. Oh yeah, almost got this edge done now. Oh, I just found the drain hole in this one. Look at that, right back there. I think it was friggin' partially covered with tar, so that's not good. You want the thing to drain moisture. Keep buzzing it down. Just like this side's way worse than the other side was. Whoa. Coming along, though. Coming along. Work my way over here a bit. It's pretty clean at the edges here. The edges seem pretty clear. But it's in here. Yeah, it's quite thick. We laid the old tar on pretty thick here. It's coming off. It's taking a little bit more work, that's all. A tad more work. Yeah. Yeah. Sec now. I'm gonna put my goggles on. They will protect me too, but let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah. How much up there? A little bit. down to the metal, people. Right down to the metal. Yeah. That's a stubborn piece there. Get the car jacked up and support it there. So. Jacked up and supported. Not gonna worry about the sides right now. Let's get the majority of this stuff here done. I can even see some pitting in a bit of pitting in the metal there. Yeah. Just taking her off. Amazing wheels. Couldn't do it by hand, I can tell you that much. I did some of it on my hand on that side, but I, just up where I couldn't get the wheel on it, I used 220. 220 grit seemed to do it without being too aggressive. Yeah, it's cleaned up pretty good there. Let's see, I have another light here. Where did I put it? My pop-out light. No, it's just over there, guys. I'll get it. Just one sec. It's better for getting in behind and seeing what I'm dealing with here. What are we dealing with back here, people? What? Oh, good idea to take my wheel with me. Okay. Really not too bad back here. Not so bad. This back end's going to be a lot easier to get at than the other side. A lot easier. Getting a little dust right off her. Spitting the dust right off her. That's what. Some of this will be done with sandpaper, I guess. Where I can't get at certain areas. But look at the amount of tar they put right there. Jeez, this upper side's good, but holy moly. Yeah. You hear it grinding it away. Hey, look at those little friggin' pinholes, but they're not. They're just on the surface, but they're not through or anything like that. But let's work here. It's quite nasty. Quite nasty. Let's see. Just like that. Yeah, man. Yeah. This front edge, I guess I'll do it by hand, I guess. There. A little bit more on the bottom here. Oh. You know what they should have done? They should have just covered these mufflers up with some cardboard or something before they start spraying this underneath down. But you know what? They don't think of that. They just don't think of it. I'm glad I got my old texaco coveralls on. Because I'd be covered in this shit. That's for sure. I'd be covered in it. So we got most of this done. We got that line done. This last pocket right here on the flat spot. Yeah, that's coming along. Look at that. Just a little bit here. And we'll have it tick boo. That will have to be done by hand up there. I'm getting too close to the inner fender. Don't want to mess that up. That up there has got a little bit of tar, like on the where the two seams of the gas tank bond together. It's got a little bit. Well, I might be able to get this bit. I don't know. It's even on the pipe, man. You can take it off the pipe or not. I'm removing it from the pipe. Some of the pipe there. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this part. So let's. Yeah, kinda. Getting it. Getting the lip. Yeah, try it right here. Right here. Not the end of the world if I paint over a little bit of dried up undercoating, but I will probably try to get it best I can. Hold the back end here. Okay. Bit of that. So let me just check this now. This needs a little more attention here. That's looking decent there. See if I got all the lines here. All these, this tank is all like the indents and whatnot. In there. that. That indent's not looking too good. They got most of that out. Yeah, get that out. How's the flat part? Spot right there. Spot there. That's good. No, there's a big plunk here. Bam. There's another piece here. Yeah. Undercoating, man. Great, but not on mufflers. Great place for it. Frame, floor, and all this stuff. Yeah, I don't know if that's a spot. What is that? Is that undercoating or is that not undercoating? I can't tell. No, that's just change in the color of the metal, I believe. Let me wet my finger. Yep. Okay. Now we gotta look at something else. What's this? What's this gimbal thing doing? It's taking a conniption fit here. I'm not sure why. It's wanting to rock back and forth here. You guys are gonna get a bit of shake here, but we're almost wrapped up. Oh, there goes a few cans. My recycles that just fell. Lots of pop cans, Guinness cans. Looking good. Gotta get this side here. You guys see much right now, I'm blocking you, but yeah. Okay. Get over here. Is that gimbal still taking a fit here? I don't know why. This is trying to focus or whatever. Should not be a problem. Let's see if I can readjust it here. I can try to adjust it so it doesn't start flicking all around on you. I don't know what it's doing. I haven't used this too much. Yeah. Doesn't like it. It doesn't like it. Look at that. Now it wants to just flop down for some reason. You know what? I'm taking it off here. I'm taking it off. And we're just about done anyways, guys. So let's see. Do I get that right? Yeah. I'd like to thank each and every one of you, for coming back again. Like I say, it's not that exciting, but it's got to be done. Maybe I can bring you back tomorrow for the spray down. I do have to pick up another can of paint, though. I ran out. I had enough to do that muffler over there. That's it. But like always, guys, like each and every one of you to stay safe out there. You know what I mean. Thunder, road,